Welcome to EES Consultancy. Bauska, a charming town located in southern Latvia, is a hidden gem waiting to be explored. With its rich history, scenic landscapes, and warm community, Bauska offers a delightful experience for residents and visitors alike. The town is nestled between two beautiful rivers, the Musa and the Memele, creating a picturesque setting. Bauska Castle, a magnificent fortress that dates back to the 15th century, stands proudly as a testament to the town's historical significance. Bauska is also known for its stunning natural beauty. The nearby Mazoun Palace and Park offer a tranquil retreat amidst lush gardens and serene lakes, perfect for those seeking peace and relaxation. The town's commitment to preserving its heritage is evident in the Bauska Museum, where visitors can delve into the town's past and learn about its cultural traditions. Bauska embraces a vibrant community spirit, with local festivals and events throughout the year. The Bauska City Festival and the Bauska Wine Festival are just a few examples of lively celebrations that bring people together. At EES Consultancy, we are passionate about promoting Bauska as a wonderful place to live, work, and discover. Whether you're interested in history, nature, or a tight-knit community, Bauska offers a unique and fulfilling experience. Join us as we unveil the captivating allure of Bauska,